We will speak today about Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin go to the moon and go even beyond Bitcoin? And we will also about obviously that we broke this white line to the downside. Is this right now the sign that we should right now short until 20k approximately, or is this only a fake trap? Or I mean a trap, not a fake trap, a fake breakdown, a trap. This is what we will speak about it. So bratans, stay here in this video until the end and hit the like button if you want. If not, I don't care, bratan. And I'll show you also in a minute also my long position, which I still have open. So let us start with Bitcoin, and right after we speak about Dogecoin, right? So first things first. So Bitcoin, bratan, broke down this white line, and I told you this would be a short opportunity. So if you shorted from here down here, then you made 0.5%, I think 5%, I think it's 10% profits. Congratulations to everyone who shorted here. Right now we are retested here this line and failed to pass the not the retest, I mean pass the breakthrough. We are retest and fall down, right? So what will happen next? If I'm open the RSI right now, we are still overbought, right? And in my opinion, bratans, I show you, wait a minute, I show you quickly my trade. So I still here in a long position. Wait a minute, I have to join. I still in a long position, which is around 46% in profit, $200 in profit at the moment, right? Or even 48, $230 in profit. So this is amazing. However, I said my stop loss is my entry position. So because, wait a minute, my stop loss is my entry position because I let the trade open, or maybe I will take here profits because this is getting very dangerous right now, because we had one retest, we had a second retest, and we didn't break through. So I set my stop loss to my entry position so I don't lose any money if we are falling down. But if we are breaking through this white line, I make huge profits because my take profit area is around 21,090, right? So very clear in my opinion, bratan. In my opinion, very clear, if I wouldn't be in a long position, I would jump right now into a short. Right now, as we broke this white line to downside, it's a clear short opportunity. So like I told you, the first price target would be here around, wow, it's getting really, my screen is really dark, I don't see, 20,570, 1.3%. The second price target here is around 2,450, 2%. And the next one would be here around 20k, because this is the orange line. I have to draw it a little bit, extend this. Around 20k is a big support line, so around 4%, I think there's 40%, I think it's 80% short opportunity right now with a stop loss slightly above this white line, right? So if we are breaking this white line to the upside, then obviously we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. I mean, the price target would be here if we're breaking above, let's say 20,955. Then the first price target would be here around 21,500, right? Around 21,500. And the second one would be slightly below 22k. Let's say 21,850. So 4.3%, thanks and 43% trending average, over 86% long opportunity. However, bratans, watch right now. I mean, there's another line, but I don't want to confuse you. Let me show you, because this is really for really professional traders. I just don't want to confuse you, because look, we have here a retest, and we have resistance, and here support. I mean, maybe I make it a different color. Maybe I make it red. Wait a minute, this is not red. This is only for today, for day traders. Because look, I mean, we could also say we are waiting. If we're breaking this red line, we are jumping into huge short position, because this very obviously, if we're breaking this white line, we are jumping into long. So for super professional trader, I hope you understand what I speaking about it. I mean, either you jump right now in a short and met stop loss above this white line, or you're waiting until we're breaking this red line at around 20,800 to the downside, and then you start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we're breaking above 20,955, we can start long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. So very clear in my opinion, bratan. If you also want to trade on BitGet, this is where I'm also trading, and I'm on Bybit. On BitGet, you get, at the moment, you can win out of $1,000 prize pool, $8,000 you can get after initial deposit, and you get 50 USDT for free after your first trade. So very clear, make sure you make a registration on BitGet, and on Bybit you get $4,620 for free, but only after a certain amount of initial deposit. Link is also down below. Both exchange very trustful in my opinion. So link is down below, bratans. And if you don't have initial deposit, you still get free access to my Discord Telegram channel where I give you this all information up front. So very clear. Here's again my trade. Quickly I show you. My trade is at the moment $47 in profit, $230 in profit right now. So this is very clear. Let us quickly speak about Dogecoin, because the people are very hyped about Dogecoin. Blood is so hot outside, man. I really regret to go on balcony recording at 12 p.m. here. So we saw here, I go on daily, we saw after Elon Musk bought Bitcoin, we saw this huge pump, right? We saw pump over, what was this? A pump over 100%, right? So I mean, it was very clear. I don't know why I missed out to buy Dogecoin. I have a lot of Dogecoin, but to buy even more here, because this was very obvious, but I forgot it. Anyways, bratans, I wouldn't right now invest in Dogecoin because we are heavily overbought, you know. This is really heavily overbought. I mean, if you open also RSI, you see even the daily is like crazy overbought. On all chart frames, we are overbought. And the thing is, about Dogecoin, I know all the people are hyped about it, and this is right also. Why? Because Elon Musk told that this will be like the currency of Twitter, right? Dogecoin, and it will be. But at the moment, bratans, we are so overbought that the market capitalization of Dogecoin is right now 20 billion. The market capitalization of also the ground is very overheated here. Like Dogecoin is very overheated here. The market capitalization of Dogecoin is 20 billion. The market capitalization of Twitter is 40 billion. You see, we are way overbought. I wouldn't not right now invest in Dogecoin, even not on dollar cost average. It's too overheat. I would wait until we cool down, and in the long run, right? In the long run, in the bull run, I think we will see Dogecoin pumping 10x, at least 10x from now, and at least 10x, right? Because look, we are right now 20 billion market cap. If we are 10x, it's 200 billion. I mean, Ethereum is right now around 400 billion. I mean, you see, and the Ethereum ecosystem is huge. It's the second biggest cryptocurrency. So you see, I hope, I don't know if you understand. I would wait until right now we are cooling down, because all the people are hyping. I would wait until we are cooling down, then buy a little bit on dollar cost average, and then waiting for the long run after the bull run, and not after the bull run, waiting until 2024 bull run starts, and then start a little bit selling the Dogecoins, right? But right now I would wait until we're cooling down, then buying in the next within the next 1-2 years, and then when the bull run starts, and after approximately 1 year of bull run, I would start to selling down Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is obviously right now, I trust in Elon Musk, and he will implement somehow this in Twitter, but not right now buying, in my opinion, because it's right now too overheated, right? I hope you understand what I explained to you, bratans. Also, Dogecoin, by the way, you can buy on BitGet, bratan, also through spot or trading. I wouldn't trade it right now because it's very overheated, bratans, but you have to decide by your own self. On Bitcoin, I told you exactly my price tags, my Ethereum price tags. If you want to know them, I told you in the video yesterday. So if you have any questions, write me down below. Today it's a very clear situation or options to trade Bitcoin, in my opinion. Doesn't matter for long or for short, because we have very clear lines. We have the red line, we have the white line to short or to long Bitcoin. And but be careful in the night. In the night, the Asia market open, we will see high volatility. So today it's a very big opportunity, but be careful in the night, because nobody knows when the Asia market open. They usually liquidate all the longs and all the shorts. But today, very good opportunity. So be prepared, bratans. Make sure you make registration on BitGet. And if you have any questions, write me down below. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.